respected ma'am. I am Shwanji Srivastav. Today, I am presenting the process of Kadha recipe. Let us start. I am making Kadha for 4 persons. So, I am taking 6 cups of water. Water. Let's lit the gas. Dadi will lit the gas. Thank you, Dadi. Now I will add 4 to 5 basil leaves. Then add 4 to 5 neem leaves. Then take small piece of ginger and crush it. Add this ginger and leave it for 5 minutes. Add this jaggery in the water. And leave it for next 5 minutes. For this Kadha recipe, I have already made a Kadha mixture. This Kadha mixture contains all these items. Let's have a look on these items. This is black pepper. This is cloves. And this is large cardamom. This is parsley. This is licorice. This is cinnamon. So now add this Kadha mixture in the boiling water. Boiling for 10 more minutes. Now the kadha is ready to be served. Now Mama will add some lemons while serving. So let's enjoy this useful kadha. Watching